Hi there, Scott from LJ's Kitchens here, and today we're going to talk about the different finishes that are available on cabinetry today. So obviously the main reason that a cabinet has a finish on it is so we get a nice, durable, long-lasting surface on that particular product. Also, it does allow us aesthetically to change the looks of a given space so we can create a room that's fit just for you. Kind of one of the original finishes that we would consider when looking at cabinets would be a stained finish. And stained finishes started out with some really nice, warm, stained finishes that just add to the beauty of the wood that they're putting that on. This happens to be a hickory door here. It has a fair amount of grain, but we can use different woods and different colors to achieve completely different looks. Stain actually penetrates into the surface of the wood, so that if we do nick that product, we actually have the same color absorbed into that wood panel, so that it's quite easy to repair a wood stained cabinet, where others might be a little more difficult to fix if you do harm it. We find that stained cabinets, because of its durability and its ability to be touched up, works well with, you know, families that have small children or in a given space that's going to see a lot of use. It works out to be a great product because we can, you know, fix it. In this example, we're showing a laminated cabinet, which does tend to look quite modern, but we do have some flexibility in the style that we would make that door out of today. This is a very, very simple door. It is a textured foil, so it actually has the texture of what a wood grain would have on it, but very, very easy to clean, very easy to maintain. Actually holds up to a fair amount of usage. So it's a very, very durable product. If you've got a busy lifestyle, kids running around, it probably is a good product to consider if you are in that modern style. So one of the most popular finishes today on cabinetry would be painted. And with paint, it offers us the flexibility of choosing an unlimited amount of colors. We can do white, purple, green, red, orange. You know, the color is irrelevant. Unfortunately, if we do either run into it and ding it or nick it with a knife, it's a little harder for us to conceal that damage because the surface of a painted cabinet is very, very smooth and it's very perfect. So it's very hard to disguise a blemish that maybe we need to try and repair. So I think a painted finish is perfect, suited for a person that is going to be a little more gentle on the product, so they don't have kids running around. The usage is a little bit lighter, so we can just keep that long-lasting beauty for years to come. As with all finishes that are put on cabinetry, it's put there for the main purpose of giving us a durable surface, as well as giving us an aesthetically pleasing look. So whenever you're ready to consider that new kitchen or other space remodel, stop down to LJ's Kitchens and one of our designers can help in the process of deciding what style and what finish will best fit your needs.